Do you ever struggle to remove headliner stains out of your car like this? Well, today I will teach you how to safely and effectively clean your headliner without any wicking issues or inducing headliner sagging. So this right here is a professional grade upholstery cleaner I use currently. However, I will also show you great results with a simple, easy to get cleaner from an auto parts store near you. I will talk to you more about these products later in the video and where I actually buy them. So the first thing I'm going to do after creating my solution is I'm going to dampen one side of the microfiber towel. So I will begin by spreading the product evenly across the surface that I'm trying to clean to allow the product to start working to break down the stains. Now you might be wondering why I wouldn't just spray the headliner directly. Wouldn't that be easier? Well, yes it would, but a few things. Number one, we want to limit overspray with chemicals when detailing. It can lead to little specks all over interior plastics that may be sensitive to certain cleaners, leading to damage. Number two, it's important to use a low moisture cleaning method on headliners. Being too aggressive with headliners and oversaturating them can lead to a very common issue of headliner separation and sagging. This can be a very unattractive and expensive issue to fix, which leads me to my next point. Headliner fabric is held together by an adhesive glue type of product. So this is why it's also important to refrain from using the wrong products such as degreasers like popular used Super Clean. These aggressive solvent cleaners will break down the adhesive and lead to damage. The cleaner I am using is actually called Rocket Revive It by Bonnet Pro. It is actually a commercial carpet cleaning supply company that specializes in these safe and highly effective cleaners. These chemicals are actually also non-toxic, which is another reason I really love using them. Not only are these products safer for me to use, but it's safe for my customer and their family that gets in these vehicles all the time. Some major benefits to this cleaner is that it doesn't require rinsing, smells great, and leaves no residue. It helps to maintain the fabric's original texture and color, which is crucial for newer and more expensive vehicles. Additionally, it leaves behind a light protective barrier with AFT technology, making future cleaning easier. However, it's always important and a good idea to do a test spot in an inconspicuous area to ensure compatibility. So now I will show you the next cleaner on an area that will normally need to be cleaned, which are the sun visors. Constant touching with hands leads to a heavy dirt and skin oil buildup, of course. This cleaner is manufactured by one of my favorite companies, Superior Products, and it's called Zap It. It is designed specifically for stain removal inside vehicles and is also highly effective, but easy to get at O'Reilly's Auto Parts store, also in bulk variety. I want to talk really quick about a tip to prevent wicking. Number one, when diluting any detailing chemicals, always use distilled or purified water. The minerals in the tap water will actually etch into the upholstery fibers just like they do on the outside of vehicles, commonly known as water spots that we really hate. Also, low moisture cleaning methods and ensuring a thoroughly dry surface also helps to prevent this. Zap It does not require diluting, however, rinsing with a very damp towel in distilled water is a very good idea to ensure Zap It does not continue to break down the adhesive. Although Zap It is really great and easy to get, I think Rocket Revive It is a much better choice for many reasons in my opinion. It simply does not compare in quality, and Zap It in the long run is actually way more expensive to use. The biggest thing you might have noticed during this video is that it took me a while to get the headliner right by hand, regardless of me speeding up on the video. And yes, it does actually, and it's very labor intensive and requires patience. As a beginner, years ago, I remember it feeling like these stains would never come out. However, persistence and experience over time ensures results like this every time, and I charge accordingly for the service. Usually to do an entire headliner, I charge at least an extra $100. After all this effort though, check out the results. As you can imagine, the customer was very happy. I'm Alan with Highlands Auto Detailing, and I hope this how-to video helped you on your journey to becoming a better detailer or car enthusiast. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you don't want to miss any more of my simple how-to videos.